All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Dksofoffrdhzrd. Well, as you saw a couple days ago, we got those plates built. We're cooped up in our houses, not working right now. Well, got a couple days off of work, but man, this quarantine, kind of a mandatory stay at home, has got our minds racing. What the heck are we gonna do to kill time, pass time? You can only play so many board games, you know, have so many Nerf wars in the house before you just go stir crazy. So we're outside. It's finally not raining here in San Diego. It's a nice day. It's cloudy, kind of cool, 50 degrees, got snow in the mountains. We got the holes cut out with the plasma cutter. You saw that little cool plasma cutter. And now it's time to get some ingredients, to get the plates set up, and we're going to make a breakfast burrito with hot plates from doing a burnout with the old F250 behind me. She's got some low tire tread depth. I'll show you guys with the tread depth gauge what we're sitting at right now. So instead of just taking the tires off at the tire shop, throwing them in the old trash roo, we're gonna freaking do a burnout with them and just have a little goofy fun time, pass time. So let's take a look at what we got built so far. All right, so we got our straps all put together. We got chocks. We got the metal plating with some shackles on there. So we're gonna put these shackles on. Jess, you wanna put those shackles on, and hopefully those fit good.
Yeah, they fit good on here. These holes cut out.
So we're not gonna drill into the concrete in the driveway. We're just gonna use these shackles, do a tow rope going from basically the shackles with the rope going to the front tires, which will hopefully hold it on, and then we're going to chock the front tires. So look at all these bees everywhere today. I don't know why, but we got the front wheel chocked on this side. We're going to chock it on the other side, but you can see these tires are a no bueno. So we got the handy dandy tread depth gauge. And we're sitting right around, spots are lower, 430 seconds there. Go to the middle more. So we're sitting at like 330 seconds. So we're damn near to that 230 seconds for the rear, which is law, and 430 seconds in the front. And those tires are smoked, so. All right, so we got our burnout pads here. Put them on this little piece of wood so that the shackles don't dig into the concrete. It'll create a little bit of a ramp here. We're gonna spray some stuff on there that we're gonna do some cooking with. So hopefully this works out. All right, so we got our burnout spray. And when I think of a good burnout spray, I think Kirkland Signature Series Canola Oil Cooking Spray. All right, so Jess is gonna spray the pad down with some cooking oil. Get us a nice slick surface here. Spray the tire, little pan dilemma here. Pan. Now we're gonna move the truck onto the pad. Now we gotta chalk the fronts. So let's go ahead and chalk up the fronts. Ooh, that was pretty close. All right, let's see if we can even just do a little burnout real quick on these. We probably should tie them down before they go shooting off into the sky. All right, so we got the fire extinguisher in place just in case something goes awry. We got them all tied down now. As you can see, tied down to the front of the truck. Come around the other side, and she's all tied off. So this is just a test run to see if we got to change anything. So give her a shot, Jess. Keep going. Oh yeah, we're getting some smoke now, boy. The other one spinning? Nope, the other one ain't spinning. Oh, were you on the brake? All right, so she started to slide off the pad there, so we're gonna try to see if we can't push her over. Keep her going. Keep her going. I'm able to push and hold it. Keep her going. Oh yeah. I'm pushing her over. Oh God. Rubber going everywhere. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boy. This smoky boy. You can hear it's just starting to oh, you can hear it sizzling. So we came around to this side. This plate was starting to slide on out.
Look at the rubber buildup.
Friggin' rubber building up there. Tires are still all right. But boy, this plate kicked out pretty good. But we're gonna have to tie it like from the truck to the Jeep to keep her from sliding that way.
Yeah, you got slanted hill right there.
Yeah, something going on here. So, all right. Well, that smoke dissipated pretty good, so that's good. Looks like there's still some smoke coming out of the cab here. Everything's good to go though, so yeah, boy. All right, so after the first little test run, we're still at 530 seconds, 430 seconds, 530 seconds, and the tires are still freaking crazy hot. So, pad was still hot. All right. All right, so. No, you're good. You're good. All right, just try. Yeah, you're on them. Is the other tire? No, the other tire's not spinning yet. Oh, that strap. Oh. Okay. It's close. Yeah. Stop.
Something to hold it.
Yeah, just a little something. So the truck is wanting to slide that way, and I can't hold it and record it at the same time. So we're gonna move the Jeep over there, park it. We're gonna tie to the Jeep to the truck and prevent it from sliding to the left. So we've got it reset. We got to use some more PAM. It's hot. It is hot. So hopefully this will work out. All right, take 3. Let's see. We got to break them loose. Take 3. We got it tied to the Jeep. There they go. There they go. There we go. No more bouncing. No more bouncing. Oh yeah. God. Are they popping? We got, oh, the heat is insane. Okay. Well, let's cut it. Oh boy. Back up, Jess, back up. Oh my God. It's so hot. Oh God. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Got a little bit of smoke, but hey, it's all right. We're gonna make the old California breakfast burrito here. So let's get the bacon cooking. Oh, you can hear it sizzling. Get the egg cracked. Get another egg on there. It's gonna have a little flavoring, a different flavoring than we're used to. We could cook that right there. Put the tortilla on there, you know. Oh, look at that bacon sizzling. Bacon is sizzling. All right, let's, oh, the tortilla. Look at all that seasoning. Look at all that seasonings. All right, let's see if we can flip these eggs. No, but the bacon's looking great, dude. Oh, look at that bacon. It's cooked on that side. All right, we're done. She's cooked up. She's got some seasonings. We don't even need pepper. Look at that egg. Nice and runny. Yep. Let's put the bacon on there. Bacon. Oh yeah. These breakfast burritos are I'm gonna start selling them. If you guys are interested, we're gonna start selling them. It's the Toyo Tire. I got Toyos, so these are the Toyo Tire burritos. Oh, look how scrumptious this looks. All right, let's put it on the old plate. All right, so let's get this. We're gonna take a nice bite out of it. All right. Oh, tastes like a Toyo Tire. Well, what'd you guys think of that? That burrito was disgusting. Did you guys really think I was gonna eat that burrito? That was a burrito I had pre-made because had I eaten that Toyo Tire burrito, I would have been vomiting freaking everywhere. But that was so much fun. It created a mess. My house smells like burnt rubber. Smells like Las Vegas on a Saturday night. You know what I mean? Toyo Tires held up fantastic. Got the GoPro cameras going. Oh man, I can't wait to run the new Yokohamas though. I'm stoked on the Yokohamas. These Toyo Tires, they didn't last too long. They ride rough. They didn't last long. Only got like 30,000 miles out of them. Bought brand spanking new and only got 30,000. I don't do much burning out with them, but now it's time to clean up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know what the heck we're gonna do next, something goofy, but like it, subscribe to it, comment down below. Let's see your guys' burnouts. My email will be down below if you guys wanna send me something. Yeah, if you got that iPhone, you could send it to me and I'd love to share your guys' videos in my videos and give you guys a shout out. So yeah, let's try to do something. You guys can send me whatever, just screwing around with your guys' trucks, off-road and whatever. But anyways, like it, subscribe to it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.